In this video, we are going to discuss about the anencephaly and the iniencephaly. The first thing need to remember is both are the neural tube defects. So the first thing is in the anencephaly, the defect is seen at the top of head. While in the iniencephaly, the defect is usually seen at the level of spine, cervical spine. So basically, in the anencephaly, when we do the ultrasound or the MRI, we will find out that the top of the head is absent in anencephaly. So the part of the head above the orbit is absent. So in it the cerebrum, cerebellum are either completely or incompletely absent. While in the iniencephaly there is the deficient occipital bone with defect in the spine. Or a defect in the cervical region. So because of these features in the anencephaly, we found the frog eye appearance. Both the anencephaly and the iniencephaly, they are not compatible with the life. So the fetus will not be able to live long. In the iniencephaly, there is the appearance which is termed as the star gauging fetus. Means because of the defect in this neck region or the deficient occipital bone, the neck is hyperextended and the spine is jagged up, spine is pulled up, the neck is short, So as we have mentioned that there is the hyperextension of the spine or the retroflexion of the head. These are the key points in the iniencephaly. In both of them, AFP alpha fetoprotein is elevated in both of iniencephaly and the anencephaly. On the antenatal USG, we can detect all above mentioned points. Along with that, polyhydramnios will be seen on the antenatal USG in the anencephaly. So these are the common points by which we can differentiate that it is anencephaly or the iniencephaly on the antenatal fetal ultrasound.